Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And we are starting things off on a hot note today, and it only gets hotter later on this week. You can see a few clouds mixing in with a lot of sunshine this afternoon in Marshall. Do have a band of clouds making its way through western Louisiana and the heart of the Arctic right now. But other than that, most of the Arctic is experiencing lots of sunshine. Here's a look at the pattern across the country, and we still have the big upper level ridge of high pressure, which is centered now across the middle of the country. This upper level ridge is gradually going to settle back over the Arctic here in the coming days. And as that happens, it'll greatly reduce any hope of seeing anything significant as far as rain. And it's also going to result in easily the hottest temperatures of the summer so far. Take you through the next few days here with Robin Toyota Futurecast, and you can see that tonight we will see a mostly clear sky across the Arctic for the most part. As temperatures tonight, again, not too bad, as we'll bottom out in the low to middle 70s. We'll start to see the humidity increase just a bit. Going through tomorrow, we'll see a partly cloudy sky in the morning. Same thing for the afternoon. Notice Futurecast shows a very few small spotty showers popping up. The vast majority of the Arctic is going to stay dry. So, other high-res models also showing a few pop-up showers possible, but again, 10% at best as far as the rainfall chances for tomorrow. We'll see a mostly clear sky tomorrow night, and then heading through Wednesday again, partly cloudy. Again, the pop-up shower can't totally be ruled out, but rainfall at any particular location is looking highly unlikely at this point. Longer range, we are going to see the return of the humidity. Dew points right now, again, this is a measure of how much moisture is in the atmosphere. And yesterday, dew points in the low to middle 60s. We're kind of in that ballpark today, so not too bad on the humidity. That will increase here, these numbers. Anytime the dew point is above 70, that's when the humidity becomes very noticeable, and that's something that you'll start to notice here as we progress our way through the work week. As far as the overall pattern here, you can see that upper level ridge and its impact as it gets stronger and settles right over us later in the week. Again, that will limit any hope of rain. It'll then begin to shift back to the north and west heading into the end of the weekend. Notice a trough moving into the Great Lakes here. That's going to send a boundary southward that will give us a little bit less humidity, and as very similar to this weekend and what happened during the day Saturday, this boundary could trigger a few isolated showers or thunderstorms late Sunday, Sunday night, and possibly Monday as this ridge continues to build back to the west. You can see it will possibly try to redevelop again next week, especially towards the middle of next week. So we might see a brief cool off to start next week. Emphasis on small cool off too, and brief, as temperatures will likely begin to warm back up again as we progress our way through next week. And again, rainfall will be very limited. We typically in June see about 1.7, 1.8 inches during a 10-day period. The upcoming 10 days show that most of the area probably will receive less than a half an inch. So the dry conditions will continue to intensify across the area. So tonight your forecast is looking mostly clear. Temperatures will be warm as we'll see lows mainly in the upper 60s to low 70s north and low to middle 70s south. 75 tonight in Shreveport, 72 in Texarkana. You can see a few 60s tonight in DeQueen as well as in Idabel. Tomorrow we'll see a partly cloudy sky. We'll be hot with highs in the mid to upper 90s. 96 for the high tomorrow in Texarkana, 99 in Shreveport, 98 in Marshall, 98 also for the high temperature in Natchitoches. We'll be in the upper 90s again Wednesday, and then triple digits on the way Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, with the hottest temperatures probably this weekend. As that boundary gets closer to us, we will see the chance for the hit or miss thunderstorm Sunday, possibly Sunday night into Monday as well. Notice the brief and small cool down to begin next week, especially at night, but temperatures start to warm up again as we go into the middle of next week. So heat, the big story here for the next several days, with the hottest temperatures on the way this weekend, as temperatures likely will soar several degrees above 100.